Industrial Revolution 4.0 is an age of interconnected technology. The advancements in information and communication technology of this revolutionary era has opened a vast opportunity for development in various sectors. But with great opportunity, there's also a lot of uncertainties. Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Afiq Ismail, and I am going to talk about the impact of fourth industrial revolution to the occupational safety and health. Before we jump straight into it, I would like to talk about the technologies that drives the Industrial Revolution 4.0. According to Board of Engineers, through a video entitled 9 Pillars of Industry 4.0, the technologies involved are virtual reality, additive manufacturing, Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, advanced simulation, autonomous robots, universal integration, and finally, cyber security. To talk about this topic, we must also know what is occupational safety and health. According to Wikipedia, occupational safety and health, or also known as OSH, is a multidisciplinary field concerned with safety, health, and welfare of people at occupation. The technologies that carries the fourth industrial revolution are diverse, and the operation of this technology will lead to the hyper-connectivity society. Like all other fields of study, occupational safety and health is definitely affected by this revolution. So first, let's start with the positive impact of the fourth industrial revolution towards occupational safety and health. The first positive impact is virtual reality technology that provides safer training for the new employees. During an online meetup entitled Occupational Safety and Health in Industry 4.0 organized by digital leader Ilya Somanov, the head of immersive technology for CROC, have shared about how their company have used the virtual reality as a tool for training. He stated that before the virtual reality technology was introduced, not only it is challenging for the employee to find a suitable way to practice, but it is also challenging for the employer to ensure the safety of the new employees. This initiative has significantly improved the safety of their new employees who are not familiar with the machinery and tools at their factory. And next, for the second positive impact is excluding human from harmful workplace. According to an article entitled The Fourth Industrial Revolution and its Impact on Occupational Health and Safety, Workers' Compensation and Labour Conditions, the author stated that a deep learning algorithm can be used to detect human behavior pattern during accident as well as to detect chemical leaks in real time. In fact, this kind of technology has been used by Boliden Mine in Sweden, which enhance communication and monitoring system which makes it easier to locate, communicate and support workers during normal mine operation and also during accidents. And then for the third positive impact of Industrial Revolution 4.0 towards occupational safety and health is personnel tracking. In the online meetup organized by digital leader which I had mentioned before, Hamad Balharis, a control system engineer specialist, has proposed a system that incorporates wearables to measure the workers' stress level. Aside from physical health and safety, the workers' psychological health can also be measured using this technology. And now that we know about the benefit of Industrial Revolution 4.0 towards occupational safety and health, let's move on to the negative impact. So the first negative impact of Industrial Revolution 4.0 towards occupational safety and health is psychological disturbance. According to another article entitled The Impact of Industry 4.0 on Occupational Health and Safety, the author stated that in Industry 4.0 there is a principle of continuous operation in smart factory in order to get maximum efficiency in production. In order for the factory to work continuously, the employees must work in shift. This situation will bring with it a disruption to work-life balance for the employees. Next, the second negative impact is increasing human labor time. According to the previous article that I have mentioned, automation, which introduced to increase productivity and quality of life, would paradoxically result in increased human labor time. For example, if autonomous vehicle is introduced, it will be possible to enjoy leisure activity instead of driving during travel. However, human could be forced to do more work to improve productivity. In this case, driving stress may be replaced by work-related stress. And finally, the third negative impact is difficulty in OSH protection for on-demand economy. In the Industrial Revolution 4.0, there is a possibility for on-demand economy to bloom. A company like Uber is a typical example of on-demand economy business. In this type of economy, workers are independent contractors and it is difficult to earn a certain income because demand change every day and sometimes every hour. Because they are treated as private business, legal protection as a worker is difficult. For example, in Republic of Korea, there was a lawsuit case on injured delivery men who are enrolled in delivery agency. The Republic of Korea Workers' Compensation and Welfare Services collect compensation from the delivery agency, but the agency filed a lawsuit for cancellation of the taxation. They declared that the workers was not their employees and the delivery agency do not have any responsibility for the delivery man. So, with all that being said, is the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is actually a good thing? Well, despite the problem and challenges that I have highlighted in this talk, my purpose is not to scare people about the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Instead, it is to make sure that we are prepared for what will come in the future. A technological evolution is not something that we should avoid, but it is something that we should embrace. For all of you who wants to dive deeper into this topic, I have listed all the reference that I have used at the end of this video. So with all that being said, thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum and stay safe.